The clamp knob assembly holds the blade in your scroll saw's blade clamp. There's a knob on both the upper and lower blade clamps. The clamp knob assembly has a wing nut cast onto a threaded metal stud. The stud is machined on the end to provide a clamping surface for the blade. Over time, the clamping surface can wear, which will cause the blade to slip out. The threads can also wear now. Replacing the clamp knob assembly is a simple repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the blade from the upper blade chuck. Now I can just unscrew the blade clamp. With it removed, I'll thread the new clamp into place. And I'll reinstall the blade. And that's how simple it is to install a new clamp knob assembly on your scroll saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.